Hi, friend. Come draw with Miss Val. I thought it would be fun to draw a mummy. A mummy starts with a big oval for the head. It's kind of lopsided. I think I'm going to fix that. It's okay to use erasers. You don't make mistakes. You're still cool. I'm still cool. There we go. Let's draw some eyes. We're going to do a circle. We're not going to quite close it. We're going to do another one. There's our eyes. Make two more circles on the middle. There's our mummy's eyes. Let's draw a body next. One side, a little bit of a curved line. Other side, a little bit of a curved line. Let's draw some feet. There you go. And legs. Let's draw some arms. I think I'm going to fix this one. Okay. Let's make some lines on our mummy for his wrapping. Make some lines all over the place here. Another one. Maybe around the eyes. Okay. Make some more lines across him. More lines. Because mummies are kind of wrapped. It almost looks like they're wrapped in toilet paper sometimes. Lots of lines on them. Let's do the other leg. There's our mummy. Color in his eyes. Outline his too. Outline his body. His feet. Way around. All right, now I've got the body outline. I'll do the lines of his wrap. Trace those. Right. Got them all traced out. She might be like a really light brown wrappings. Pulling them in. And there's our mommy. Should be standing on the ground. There's our mummy. Looks kind of spooky, but fun. Thank you for coming to draw with me. I'm proud of you. Come back again to draw a vampire and Frankenstein. Look for more videos on Miss Val's directed draw for a vampire and Frankenstein coming soon. You can watch your videos on smartphone or tablet or download the YouTube app on your smart TV to watch there. Like and subscribe for more drawing fun, and I'll see you next time. Great job.